Welcome you all to another video. This is H, and today we're going to do a trade recap from yesterday, October 30th, 2025, and we're just gonna go over the market today, October 31st, 2025. Let's see. Okay, so yesterday I did take a trade at 3 in the morning. It was doing pretty good. So recently, as you can see, I have this right here, these trend lines. They have been appearing more often, and yes, I don't know. They have been either I've been noticing more often or they've been appearing more often, and I feel like they have been appearing more often. Even though they have been appearing more often, so when I wake up in the morning, I can't trade because the move essentially happens after, after I like at 4:30, and I can't stay up until 4:30 because I need to work. Just like yesterday, I did a 13-hour shift. So if I'm not well rest, or at least if I don't get 5 hours of sleep, then literally I literally could die in one of those holes because yesterday I was in a 7 feet deep hole, and I have to be aware and like be at least get 5 hours of sleep. So that's why I can't be awake until 4:30. But this is the trade. Why did I take it? I was risking $200. Honestly, it was not a lot. So the reason why I took it was because, as you can see here, we have this consolidation, and I saw how we came up here, barely touched, and then went down. We were consolidating right here. We make a 5 minute fair value gap right here. Usually, I don't really pay attention to fair value gaps when we are consolidating because they get inverse all the time. So here, I saw that we went all the way up here to this trend line, and we touched, and we were starting to go down, and I wanted to go to these lows right here because they were somewhat close, but this low right here specifically, it was a 1 to 2.0 ratio, even though it's a 1 to 1.75. And my reasons were, obviously we touched that trend line and we're going down. I was expecting it to go all the way down here, and we almost inverse this fair value gap, but I thought after touching that trend line right there, I thought we were going to inverse it, so I was waiting for this 5 minute bearish fair value gap to get respected, which we did right here. I believe I entered somewhere around there. I believe I entered right there, and I put my stop loss above that 5 minute fair value gap. And as you can see, obviously we got stopped out and we lost 190 something, 199, so basically 200. And yeah, that's just how it went. But I was right about the direction where the market wanted to go. Oh, plus, my reason why I entered bearish is because in the 30 minute we reacted to to a bearish 30 minute fair value gap right here. So we were already going down right here, and we had a green candle right there. So I was like, okay, we're going to go down. And essentially, we did, but it took a while, and it stopped me out before. So if I were to put my stop loss all the way on that high, then I could have won. But then the risk to reward ratio was a 1 to 1. It was not bad, honestly. But I was putting $200 because of the confluences that I was doing this trade with. and $200. I was gonna get $200 back, so it was not that big. Even though I could have done it, probably should have done it because I would have won the $200. And I wouldn't be able to take partials here because I'll be asleep, and this controller keeps on falling and falling and falling. But yeah, I was right on the direction, and then today I couldn't trade. As you can see, I woke up in the morning and this move happened right here. So we have an SMT with these lows right here. We almost take them in ES, but in Nasdaq where are we? Oh, this is useless. Never came down there. 18.3. Okay, here. In Nasdaq, we take them definitely right here. So that's in SMT, even though it's equal lows on ES. And yeah, when I noticed that, obviously I'm not going to take that SMT and just go bullish, but we were moving up pretty fast, and I was waiting for either a 5-minute equilibrium to get hit right here, and unfortunately it didn't happen, and so I could go to these highs right here, this high and that high right there, and yeah, it didn't happen. So we go up there and then we start going down. It's just at this point I went back to bed. It was already 4, so there was not much for me to do. But yeah, I mean, yes, it looks better here. We go up, we go down, we go up again, and we go down. So it's like it was consolidating basically, but this move could have been nice for me. But I didn't take it, and that's how it is. Literally the trade of today. Sadly, we end the month with a profit of 300, which is not bad, but I mean, we started this account like 1, 2, 3 weeks, basically 2 weeks ago. So it's not bad. 300 for 2 weeks. It's really bad, but it's not bad. Okay, we're just going to keep going, unfortunately. So now I'm going to start going to bed at 9. I feel like 9 is a good time. I go to bed at 9, wake up at 3, and then I can stay up until 4:30 looking for a setup. Um, and if I don't see anything at 4, then obviously I'm going to go to bed. If I see a setup and I'm waiting for it, then I will wait until it happens, until I see a reaction of one of my confluences, and then react to it and then play my trade. So yeah, that's what's going to happen. I need to make this work because I don't have time to look at my phone. Like yesterday, I couldn't see my phone at all. I was working 13 hours. 13 hours for I don't know how much 13 times 18 is. Was that 180? Almost what, $200, something like that. It's good, but not after they take 60 with taxes or 50 with taxes. So it's 150. 13 hours for 150. I don't think that's worth it. But that's why we're trying to do trading, right? So we can have a better income, better life, and essentially more freedom. Of course, me myself, I know why I want to do it is, and I have my personal reasons. Of course, I want my freedom. I want to be able to enjoy my life without having to slave myself to a company for 10 plus years. But also, I could use the money to help my mom pay for mortgage, help my brother in Honduras. He's having problems with some people. Um, help my friends as well. We all need money. We all need money, and I'm doing this so I can help all of them. And my uncles, they were so nice to me. They were like, you know, and yeah, and my brother as well. I would like to help him and help everyone that I can. And of course, my benefit out of that is freedom. I get to be free and work from wherever I want and at whatever time I want. So that's the goal. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in another video. I feel like no, cause I haven't had this channel for a year, but I want to be able to post my face. I feel like people are more they feel more welcome when they see who's talking. Right now, there's nobody who's going to watch a 10-minute video of me literally not winning nothing and just talking. But we'll see. So I feel like posting your face gives you a little boost, and also sharing your videos, which I don't really do because I don't know if I'm embarrassed or honestly I don't really care. But it's just like I would like the people who watch me not to really know me, you know. I want to like it's like I don't want to buy or request a following or a viewer. I want to earn it, you know. But that's it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you had a good day. I was going to trade real money in F1C. Unfortunately, I did not have the capital to enter in Nasdaq. But we did buy more crypto, so now we are trading crypto, and so far we are losing $1. We were up $5, but now we are losing $1. We'll see how it's going right now. Thank you all for watching. I hope you had a good day and have a good rest of good weekend. Bye bye.